Sparks plane can be found in SASSE Library Effects Electric. We can drag and drop that into our scene, and that will give us a transparent effect. So you can see it's playing already. We can turn auto animate off and that will stop it, but as long as your timeline is moving and that's checked, it will play. So we have top only as a setting here checked. We can uncheck that and that will add another layer. So let's see. Top only, we can see we've got sparks spawning here, we've got sparks moving up top and nothing on the bottom. We uncheck that and now we can see we've got sparks moving in all directions. We can change the outer color of the spark as well as the inner color. The scale, which will affect the overall scale, so that's how large the entire effect is. The amount of sparks, so this is something that you can animate to have your sparks coming in and out. If you want just like a little flash occasionally, that's the setting that you want to animate. And then we've also got the emission strength to get a little more of that bloom effect if that's what you're looking for.